Now, VHI has announced price hikes for its customers. The health insurer says the average price will go up by 3% from the start of October. The company is the latest to increase prices after similar moves by Laya and Irish Life Health. It could add up to €180 a year to a typical family plan. Our reporter Hannah Murphy has more on this. So Hannah, what has VHI been saying about its decision?
Well, Colette, they say that the demand for care and the increased cost of providing that care has forced them to have to increase their prices. And they say that that's due to an ageing population and an increased incidence of chronic diseases among our population. So they say that from the 1st of October, they will be increasing their prices by 3%. And now 3% may sound like a small figure, but it really does add up to big numbers. I mean, if you're a family on some of the most popular plans, you could be paying an extra between 80 to €180 in total. And then if you're on a premium plan, you could be paying an extra €212 per adult. So when you get your renewal letter, you will know exactly what you'll be paying and if there's been any changes to your plan. Now, existing customers, as I say, will find out via that letter. But bearing in mind, VHI already increased its prices this year. They went up by 3% already in March of this year. And they're the second insurer in the space of just a week to increase their prices. Irish Life Health announced an increase of 3% last week. And earlier this month, Laya Healthcare also announced that it would be increasing its prices, all of them doing so in October when more than half of policies are up for renewal. So I suppose it's one of those things, when one goes up, the rest tend to follow. So I suppose this news is perhaps not coming as a surprise to customers, but certainly coming as a blow, particularly given the rising cost of living, particularly given they're in the middle of that back to school season and they're looking down the barrel of those expensive winter months.